In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls with Twilio and Bitrix24. By the end, you'll have the Twilio telephony integration installed in your Bitrix24 account and your Twilio credentials connected, so you can place calls directly from your CRM. Start by signing in to your Bitrix24 workspace at bitrix24.com. Make sure you're using an account with administrator rights, since installing apps and connecting telephony requires the right permissions. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the Market section. If you don't see it immediately, expand the menu and look for Applications, then choose Market. In the Market, use the search bar and type Twilio. From the results, select the integration that's listed under Integrations Telephony. This is the connector that links Bitrix24 to your Twilio account. Click Install. If you're prompted to upgrade or start a trial, choose the option that fits your plan. For most first-time setups, click Try 15 days for free, then click Activate Trial Mode to enable the app. Follow any on-screen prompts. These typically grant the app access it needs to connect calls. If you're asked to confirm the installation by email, open your inbox, find the Marketplace confirmation message, and complete the confirmation. After that, return to Bitrix24 and proceed. You'll now see fields to enter your Twilio credentials. Keep this information secure and never share it publicly. To retrieve it, open a new tab and go to your Twilio console dashboard. If Twilio asks you to verify details, click Verify and complete the quick checks. Then go to Services or your main project dashboard to locate your account SID. Copy the account SID. If the Bitrix24 form also asks for your auth token or a Twilio phone number, you can find those alongside the SID in the Twilio console. Again, handle these securely. Head back to Bitrix24 and paste your Twilio credentials into the corresponding fields. Double check for extra spaces when pasting, then save or connect. Bitrix24 will validate the credentials and finalize the integration. If validation fails, confirm that your Twilio project is active, your trial or plan is enabled in Bitrix24, and that you completed the email confirmation. Also ensure the phone numbers you plan to use are verified and voice enabled in Twilio. Once connected, your Bitrix24 telephony will route calls through Twilio. From here, you can initiate calls from contact or deal records using the built-in dialer, log call outcomes, and keep call history in your CRM. That's it. Your Twilio integration is ready, and you're set to make calls from Bitrix24 with everything tracked in one place.